1.
Create a sim. Add to a household. Save. In The Sims 4 Ripper, locate your sim. Export day.
2.
In Sims 4 Studio, open template file.
Find that in the description.
Export mesh. Open file. Import day file. Unparent the mesh by dragging it out. Remove its weights. Rename UVs to UV_0 and UV_1. Duplicate your sim. In image, open the cutoff PNG files.
Find that in the description.
Pin on and proceed to delete any verts that are not highlighted. We'll rename these differently so we don't forget what's what. Select original mesh 0. Select yours. Transfer weights. Delete verts on original. And join. Repeat for Studio Mesh _1. Save. Delete UV maps. Join all to Mesh _0. Save as shadow. In Sims 4 Studio, re-import all LODs and update texture. Open another Sims 4 Studio. Clip pack, animation. To make your own, make sure it's on blank, export. Otherwise, select EA clip, export, animation, and re-import. Rename the things, warehouse, rename actor, store your info, save.
3.
Warehouse. Object tuning. Update tuning ID. Copy ID name. In object definition. Paste. Animation tuning. Update tuning ID. Animation state machine. Via hash generator. Update tuning ID. FNV64 must start with a letter. Paste the name in name. Paste the 64 code in instance. Animation tuning. Over ASM instance text, paste. Rename actor name. Rename action name. In ASM, select actor name. Replace all with your actor name. Replace all source asset name with your source asset name. Replace all action name with your action name. Replace all clip name with your clip name. Object tuning. Update idle map with your animation tuning. Done. There are some weight painting inconsistencies around the neck and maybe around the legs if there are trousers being worn, but as inspired by Charisi, make sure you keep an eye out for her tutorial that's coming out and check out her stuff on YouTube and on Patreon.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.